Hey guys, Brony General here, back with another video, and I said that I was going to replace my 24-inch Trinitron as soon as I found a suitable replacement for it. And that's why you see it here outside. This is the 24-inch Trinitron. It is probably going to a thrift store tomorrow, maybe Monday. I don't know, it's President's Day, so the thrift stores might not be open Monday. But it's definitely going to a thrift store at some point. And I have to Google on this sticker. But I found a TV that is better in every way. It has brighter, sharper picture, better sound, even better resolution. And it's a better size. It's not as big, but it's the size that I wanted when I found this Trinitron here. So without further ado, let me show you this wonderful replacement. See it in the distance. All right, here it is. This is a 2005 Sony Trinitron. There it says Trinitron. Wega. That's right, it has the Wega sound in it. It's a 20-inch, and the picture tube is in great shape. Let me turn it on here.
About facing the world. Pay $0 for your first prescription. Details at
prescription.com. And bonus came with the remote.
Lynchburg, Tennessee. This is how many people were born here. This many are fifth generation. This is how many are named Hiawatha Kenny McGee. He keeps the town dry. They preferred a little wet.
Let me see here. If I can find my my actual DirecTV remote, I will. There it is. I'll show you what it looks like as far as sharpness goes.
People everywhere are getting clear skin. Their acne gone, with results that'll blow you away.
That, like, it's kind of hard to say on TV, you know, but it is sharp. It is extremely sharp. And you know how I said this thing even has better resolution? Let me show you that. Video 3, I believe it is. Alright, now let me quick plug in my my PlayStation, my Sony PlayStation 3. At least I believe it's higher resolution. Here, hold on. But as I was saying, at least I believe this is going to be higher resolution, because I know these later Trinitrons did 480p, at least some of them did. So I don't know if this one is going to, but from what I think, it should. I mean, I am on a component signal, so I can easily push it that far, but I don't know if it will accept the signal. Oh, there it is in 480 interlaced. Need to replace the batteries in my remote. But even in 480i, like it looks like perfect. Convergence is almost perfect. Like the brightness is perfect. It's sharp. It's very vivid color. Might need to adjust convergence on the screen right there. You can tell it's off by quite a bit. That's the only place I see that. But let's try and do 480p. I don't know if it's going to work, but it might. Let's try this. Nope, I guess it is still a 480i set. Oh well. Still 480 interlaced looks just fine on it. As you can see, it looks great. So yeah, this is my replacement for the 24-inch Trinitron. This wonderful 20-inch Trinitron with Wega sound. So yes, my child. I'm actually gonna try and bump the resolution up even farther just to see what will happen. I doubt anything will happen, but you know, we can check. You never know. CRTs can be weird, very weird. Alright, component / D terminal. 720p. That's not crazy. Yeah, that's obviously quite bad. I don't know if this is gonna screw up the TV. I doubt it will, but I'll just have to wait until it runs out of time on the counter. So it'll go back to 480i resolution. Or actually, there we go. Alright, so it's definitely still a 480i set, but That's fine by me. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show off in this video. This is a wonderful TV, and it's probably going to be with me for a long time. Let's see if I can see the electron gun in there. Not really. It's kind of buried in the back of the TV because this tube is a really deep tube. But yeah, hope you guys like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.